Let's talk apple cider vinegar, its benefits and myths. First myth, that it's packed with nutrients. Nope, hardly any vitamins or minerals. But what it does have is acetic acid, and that's the real game changer. Most people think they're too acidic, but actually, they're too alkaline, especially their blood. And when your body is too alkaline, you get issues. Poor mineral absorption, sluggish metabolism, stiff joints, and even acid reflux. That's where ACV comes in. It helps restore proper pH, improve digestion, mobilize calcium, and support your immune system. Why are we so alkaline? One big reason, stress. High stress makes your body too alkaline and depletes acid levels. Drinking super alkaline water only makes it worse, blocking mineral absorption. ACV restores balance so your body can function properly. How to make the best ACV drink? 1. 2 teaspoons apple cider vinegar. 2. 1 teaspoon lemon juice organic. 3. 1 teaspoon cranberry juice. 4. Optional, ginger for an extra kick. Drink this before meals, and watch your digestion, energy, and metabolism improve. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more tips on health and wellness.